and watchmakers have long since embraced ceramic as a case material. Now, it might not be as stereotypically desirable as precious metals, but the brilliant colours ceramic can produce and the difficulty of manufacturing them gives it an allure all of its own. Indeed, it's very surprising that Piaget hasn't experimented with ceramic watches sooner, especially since it's known for ultra-thin and light watches. Perhaps that's a reflection of the Maison's fastidious nature. However, the Polo Skeleton Ceramic, with its stealthy, handsome modern looks, was well worth the wait. Look, it's hardly a surprise that a Polo is Piaget's first ceramic watch. Since its introduction by Yves Piaget in 1979, the Polo has always been a canvas upon which Piaget has introduced fresh innovations, with notable moments including 1982, when the Polo became Piaget's first skeletonized sports watch. It's also Piaget's sportiest watch outright, so ceramic, that just makes sense. Now, Piaget explains that the Polo Skeleton Ceramic took about 3 years to develop, which involved completely redesigning the Polo's case. The two-part case and crown are made from jet black brushed ceramic, which sandwich a black DLC titanium mid-case containing the movement. The movement as well features black DLC elements, giving the whole watch a kind of stealthy tone-on-tone look. But you know what the impressive part is? This watch is a minute 7.9mm thick, which is only 1mm thicker than pre-existing Piaget Polo Skeleton steel and gold models. Now, like previous Polo Skeleton models, it's powered by the manufacturer caliber 1200S1, an ultra-thin micro-rotor movement that has a 44-hour power reserve. The design of this movement is exceptionally pleasing to the eye, with gracefully curved armatures, an exposed barrel at 1230 and a blue micro-rotor that's visible from both sides of the watch. The indices and hands are also filled with dark blue superluminova, reinforcing its dark hours theme. Each Piaget Polo Skeleton Ceramic ships with 2 rubber straps, a black one and a blue one, keeping to the theme, which are easily interchangeable thanks to the Polo's single-touch quick change system. The Polo Skeleton Ceramic is easily one of the sportiest Piaget's ever released. Not only does it mark a milestone for the watchmaker and jeweler, but it does so in style. But I'm curious to know, what do you think of this new addition to the Polo line? Let me know in the comments below. The Piaget Polo Skeleton Ceramic is now available and it's priced at $42,900. Hey, if you have liked this video and you have not yet subscribed to Time+Tide, well, there's nothing stopping you. It's just the click of a button. I'll see you on the flip side.